The pKa of weak acid is 4.5. The pOH, right, of an aqueous buffer solution of HA in which 50% of the acid is ionized is. Now, this question although can be solved in a proper manner, but if I have to solve it as soon as possible, I am doing the question basically in a paper and I just have to rush through the problems. So if I see the question, it is asking about pOH of an acid HA. Obviously we know that if I talk about pOH of an acid, this is always greater than 7, right? So if I have to rush through the answer, then I can see all the options are incorrect, only D is correct, right? If I'm doing the paper, I'll just directly see and I'll mark 9.5, right? So this was basically the shortcut method or the trick basically which can be applied in the paper, right? Now how to solve it, right? What is the proper method? Let's do that. Now for an acidic buffer, basically pH is given by pKa plus log of salt upon acid. Salt upon acid, basically the concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid, right? Now we know that this will be equal to what? pKa, which is given to us, plus log of A minus divided by HA, because what is happening? HA is the acid and this is giving way to A minus plus H plus, right? This is the acid and this is the base or the salt. This will make the salt, right? pKa is given as 4.5, right? Plus log of salt upon acid. Now it is 50% ionized. That means this will be 50% and this will be the rest 50%. That means their concentration will be same. That means log 1, right? 50% ionized means what? 1 minus alpha will be equal to what? Alpha, right? Alpha is 50% or 0.5. So this will be 0.5. This will also be 0.5. That means the concentration will be same. So that means pH, this will be equal to what? This will be 0. So pH will be equal to what? 4.5. And if I talk about pOH, pOH is what? 14 minus pH, right? So this will be equal to what? 14 minus 4.5, which will give me the answer as 9.5. That means again option D is correct. Although it was not such a long answer, but if you can apply this, you can save even the crucial 2 seconds or whatever seconds you take to solve this. If you are taking even 30 seconds, that means you are wasting your time. The person who is able to solve this by this method, it will take hardly 2 seconds, right? 2 to 3 seconds, that's it. Maximum 10 seconds. And over here you have to solve it taking 30 seconds or 1 minute. You're wasting your time, right? So this trick is always preferred, the shortcut trick. First of all, see the options. If they are, if you can see the options and you can mark straight away, just do it and go ahead. Because our aim in the paper is to maximize the result, right? So you can save very crucial time over such kind of questions, right?